Hello, this video introduces the new features of Keysight E4727B Advanced Low Frequency Noise Analyzer. Keysight E4727B is a measurement system of low frequency noise like 1 over F, flicker, and RTN of semiconductor devices. The new features give many advantages to the low frequency noise measurement users. The new feature in this video is as of November 2022. This is the outline of this video. At first, the basic of Keysight E4727B is introduced. Next, you can see new features of Keysight E4727B. Lastly, a summary of this video is explained. At first, video objective is explained. Objective of this video is to show the new features of the latest Keysight E4727B. In addition, you can understand the advantages of Keysight E4727B for low frequency noise measurement. Before starting to explain the new features, let's understand Keysight E4727B. This slide shows a block diagram of Keysight E4727B. Keysight E4727B is a measurement system for low frequency noise of semiconductor devices. Both discrete device and wafer device is available. Core hardware of Keysight E4727B is main unit displayed in the center. Main unit has a low noise amplifier, low pass filter, and external resistor. External resistors are applied to the input and output of the device, like a transistor. DC biases are supplied from SMU in PXI chassis. Noise output of semiconductor is amplified by LNA and measured by digitizer. Digitizer and embedded PC are plugged into the PXI chassis. Hardware of Keysight E4727B is controlled by software. Software is working on Keysight PathWave WGFMU Express. WGFMU Express is a full automation measurement software that controls the external wafer probing system. Built-in measurement condition is prepared in the software, and the user only enters the measurement condition in the table, like bias and frequency range. This table is called a routine, and the routine covers all semiconductor devices like FET, BJT, diode, and resistors. Next is main topic of this video, new features. Main new features are introduced in this video. First one is supporting Keysight PXI SMU M9601A. This hardware is source measurement unit for DC biasing. Second one is auto denoise. This is a robust environment noise remover. The details of two new features are explained from next slide. First features is the support of Keysight PXI SMU module M9601A as bias sources. We decided to support M9601A to make A-LFNA system compact and to lower total price, including SMU DC sources. We also expect two more benefits feature reduction of environment noise risk by single grounding. and lower SMU noise. Let's understand each of these benefits. As you can see in this picture, Keysight E4727B footprint becomes very compact if you use PXI SMU instead of the large DC analyzer like B1530A. It looks cool now. Furthermore, the price of PXI SMU modules is much lower cost than B1500A. Not just size and price, it also has a benefit for performance. The first one is removing environmental noise risk by single grounding. If you use P1500A as a bias source for Keysight E4727B, the grounding of B1500A and the PXI chassis are independent. Then it sometimes generates a ground loop due to the small difference between two independent ground points. On the other hand, if you use PXI SMU modules, all PXI SMU modules are plugged into PXI chassis. In this case, SMU ground point is directly connected with ground point of other PXI module like embedded PC digitizer. It means all modules is connected to the single ground point and there is no ground loop anymore. It will contribute to remove environmental noise. Another benefit is SMU noise level. Left-hand plot shows the noise measurement data measured by B1500A SMU, and the right hand shows the same device noise measured by PXI SMU. It's obvious that PXI SMU shows lower noise data in the low frequency region. It means SMU voltage noise floor of PXI SMU M9601A is lower than B1500A. These plots show the noise measurement data of PXI SMU almost perfectly matched B1500A. It is evidence that PXI SMU can use for Keysight E4727B noise measurement with similar accuracy to B1500A. Second new feature is environment noise remover, auto denoise. Normally, the environment noise has two types, spike type and hump type. Left-hand plot shows an example of spike type environment noise. In many cases, the spike type noise appears the harmonics of line frequency. Right-hand plot is an example of hump type noise. This noise applies the noise level. Auto denoise is post-processing noise remover by software. Auto denoise can switch on or off from the software configuration. This is the actual result of auto denoise. Left hand is a result of auto denoise off. Hump type noise is reduced by auto denoise. Spike type noise is also reduced. The right hand plot is the result of after denoise, and the data is very smooth. Lastly, summary of this video. The new two features are introduced in this video. Supporting Keysight PXI SMU M9601A gives flexibility, cost efficiency, and better performance. Better performance is achieved by single grounding and lower noise. Auto denoise can help to remove environment noise. This tool is very robust, and the user can get very smooth noise data from this tool. This kind of function is always turning on and default to turn off in some commercial systems, but in the case of A-LFNA, you can easily switch on or off. Keysight E4727B is the best turnkey solution for low-frequency noise measurement. The new features give more advantage to users. Thank you for watching.